When searching for the right septic service company, keep these important things in mind. Building or buying a home or business location not serviced by public sewers will most likely leave you with the need for a septic service company. Trusting the job to an experienced septic service company will provide you with complete peace of mind. A good service company will also handle system installs and repairs as well. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find the septic service company that is right for you. 1. Some areas are going to require local permits before a major repair or installation is undertaken. You may need to undergo an inspection once the work is completed as well. 2. Always make sure the septic service company has the proper license and insurance in place before starting your work. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right septic service company. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.